Good morning, traders. Today is Monday, December 2nd. Uh, let's talk about performance of our positions for last week. Uh, let's talk about market first. Market was up, volatility went down. It's a perfect environment for our position if you hold recommended positive portfolio delta, you should perform very well. Let's see how our published position was doing. So right now it show total our ES futures position 8400. Previous Friday it was 7000. But we close two positions, which is not counting here. It's a D4 and B4 ladder. Both of them make 800 each realized profit. So we have to add here 1600. So it's approximately 10,000. But because it's Monday and we got full decay of weekend, so on Friday it was, I believe it was 7,800. So let's count it as 78. So it's 800 plus 1600, 2400. So it's more than 1% plus for our position. Also, November was pretty good month for us. So altogether, our ES portfolio made approximately 4% per month, which is very good. By the way, I would like to say that when we count our P&L, we always do it by net liquidation value of our account. So not like others smart guys who just using realized profit, which I think it's kind of cheating. If we count only realized profit, it will be 3 times higher profit. Let me know in comments what do you think about that. So again, for November it was approximately 4% plus. For last week it was a little bit higher than 1%. Also, we have our MES position, which performed also very well. This one, which is already 56 days in the market. It's only 18 days left till expiration. It's approaching tail profit, but we're still gonna keep it as a protection for second wheel, which is January 31st. It's also in good shape, show about $144 plus. Don't forget that we built here in ES because OptionNet Explorer not tracking MES. We do it in ES, so we have to divide result by 10. And we have right now 3 tranches, which altogether margin about 3,000. So it's pretty good result. It's only 20 days in the market, so it's approximately, how much is that? 3,000. It's 5% in 20 days. Doing well. Oil position we have also performing well. It's 44 days till expiration left. We are 35 days at the market. We got approximately $700 in profit, which is not bad. We're still holding it until we reach $1,000 tail profit, and we will probably close it. Also, if you remember, we open TLT position, which performing well. I doubt that OptionNet Explorer counting it correctly, but in my account it shows. Let me see how much we got. in virtually in 1 month. Go to history. Year to date. TLT shows $700 in plus. So yes, it's actually probably counting it correctly. So it's not bad for very safe TLT position. This is what we get from our options. Again, we ready to be assigned, and we will keep our long TLT, get dividends, and continuously sell options against it to increase profitability. Let me show you how our separate position look like now. We're going to, oops, just a sec. Yes, this is our A ladder. In very good profit. Delta is positive, about 3.6. We're gonna keep it for now and see, and later we will roll it as planned. Let's see B position. B position is also in profit, but delta is virtually zero. How many days to, it's still 30 days, still 32 days till expiration. Let's hold it this week and see, maybe we will get some kind of retracement of the market. If not, we will roll it up and out. Our C position, it's probably candidate for rolling this week for sure, because our short puts is only 18 days till expiration. Total position delta about 2. We're probably gonna do it tomorrow. Today we're gonna add our MES new tranche, and probably tomorrow we'll do our C ladder roll. D series is also in good shape. We have 4.5 approximately positive delta, and we just did that roll. It's 39 days till expiration for short put, so we're gonna hold it for a week or two before we will think to do something. Also, we have our balalaika trade, which is have around 5 positive delta. Our closest short put about 30 days, 29. Maybe next week we will think to do something with that. Maybe we'll roll it or convert it to ladder. I will talk about it a little bit later. Next, I am sorry, I add together balalaika and D trade. This is how balalaika look like right now. It's 1.9 positive delta. Yes, it's kind of probably candidate to roll it to get some more positive delta. Also, we have 2 positions of our violin. It's V5, in good shape. Delta 1.8. Our closest short is 46 days till expiration. And we probably, yes, it's 500 points still wide our delta hedge, so maybe next week we will roll our long put of hedge 100 points down to increase our tail profit and increase our portfolio delta. And V6 violin is, we just did it. It's brand new, 60 days till expiration of short puts. So it shows some positive, approximately $400 plus, delta about 6.6. We're gonna keep it for probably for another month or maybe a little bit less. Also, if you remember, we open violin mini position, which already close to expiration. Our shorts only 2 weeks till expiration. It's cost about 3.3. We're gonna hold it, and if you remember, idea of that trade was to create a free delta hedge. As soon as our short put will expire, we roll our long puts of delta hedge down, and altogether it will be in positive territory, so it's no lose trade. And probably after that we will create another violin mini to build some free hedges, additional hedges for our portfolio. That's it so far. Again, it was very good week, it was very good months. I hope that your portfolio also performed well. Now let's talk about our strategies. I promise you to discuss it today in Discord channel. If you remember, we have 3 main strategies, which is violin, balalaika, and income ladder. So all 3 of them very good trades, and if market won't go in deep correction, all of them should be profitable. What's the difference between them? Which is better? It depends of how volatility will play out. For example, if volatility is high, like it was just a couple of weeks ago, and we're expecting that volatility will go down, the best strategy will be balalaika. Why? Because we have 2 short puts, which is 30 and 60 DTE, and these expirations usually increase and decrease the most when volatility go up or volatility go down. This is why balalaika in this case will be the best of 3. But if volatility is low and it will stay low, probably the best performer will be violin trade, and income ladder somewhere between, and it will perform better if volatility going up. It's still it could lose money, but it will lose less. So my point is, this is why I introduced you all 3 of them. I would like that in the future you start dynamically go from one strategy to another to get additional extra 1 at least percentage point per month of profit. How we're gonna do that? It's very simple. By the way, I know that lots of you was surprised when I said that just a couple of weeks ago that 50% of my portfolio is balalaika. It's only because volatility was higher, and I expected that in December volatility will go down. So I put lots of my account on balalaika. So how we're gonna convert our position from balalaika to, let's say, income ladder? You don't need to close it and reopen. It's very easy. If you remember, we have in balalaika 2 short puts, one of them 60 DTE, another 30 DTE. If volatility go down and it's time to roll your closest short put, it will be probably at 15 DTE or even less. Instead of rolling it back to 60 DTEs, we can roll it to expiration where our hedge is, just 500 points below our long. And this way we create income ladder trade from Balalaika. And after that, we can keep it as it is until volatility will increase again. If it will go up again and we will think that it's at maximum, we can do opposite. We can close short puts of our hedge and move it to 60 DTEs and create balalaika. This is how I trade it. And but again, it's not necessary that you will do it right now. All of them will perform well. Just to get to squeeze a little bit higher profit from your position, it's a good way to handle it if you want. This is how I handle it. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Hope this week we're gonna get something additional profit. We don't know where market gonna go. It could go higher because of Christmas rally, or it will. I'm expecting that it will probably be in a range for a whole week. In both scenarios, it will be good for us. But we will continue to add and increase our portfolio delta because right now it's again dropped down after last run up, and we need to keep it positive to make sure that portfolio will perform well if market go up. And don't forget, even it's not going up, because our short puts is shorter term, delta naturally of portfolio delta will go down. So we have to continuously add portfolio delta to be positive and make maximum from our portfolio. Thank you very much, and see you on Friday, and we will discuss this week performance. Bye.